Саламатсыздар ма, құрметті студенттер. Сіздермен бірге алгебра есептерін шешу практикумы бойынша ағылшын тіліндегі жүретін сабақтардың тізбегін жалғастырамыз. Бүгінгі сабағымыз дәрежеге байланысты, дәреженің жазылуы, дәреженің берілуі, есептеу, оның мағынасы, сонымен қатар дәреженің қасиеттеріне тоқталатын боламыз. Сабақ барысында жаңа ұғымдардың қазақ тіліндегі аудармасын келтіріп отыруға тырысамын. Жақсы, сабағымызды бастайық. Let's get started. So, after this lesson, students will be able to understand that the power is a repeated multiplication, identify the base and exponent of a power, write a power in expanded form, and vice versa. Evaluate power of integers and rational numbers with positive integers and exponents, and properties of the exponents. So the exponent of a number says how many times to use the number in the multiplication. Exponent are also called as power or indices. So we can say exponents or powers and indices. In this value, this expression, the 2 says to use 8 twice in the multiplication. So 2 squared is equal to, I'm sorry, 8 squared is equal to 8 multiplied by 8 is 64. So in this expression, 8 is base, 2 is exponent, we call 2 as index or power. In word, this expression could be called 8 to the power 2 or 8 to the second power, or simplified 8 squared. The exponent of a number shows how many times the number is multiplied by itself. For example, this expression 4 multiplied by itself 4 times, and write this expression as this form. Here 2 is base, we call 2 base, and 4 as exponent or power. In general case, x to the power n means that x multiplied by itself for n times. So x, it is base, n is exponent. And read this expression as x to the power of n, or shortly x to the power n, or x raised to n. So x to the power n, it means we multiply x by itself n times. Яғни бұл жерде қысқаша негізгі ұғымдарды айтатын болсам, яғни қазақ тілінде 8-дің 2 дәрежесі, 8-дің квадраты, 2 дәрежедегі 8 деп айтамыз, сол сияқты бұл жерде айтылулар, 8 to the power 2 деп, 8 to the second power деп айтатындарымыз. Яғни қазақстанда мынау негізі, мынау дәреже көрсеткіші болатын болса, ағылшын тілінде base негізі, 2 ағылшын экспонент дәрежесі индекс немесе power деп айтады. Оқығанда x-ның n дәрежесін x to the power of n, x raised to n деп айтады. Жақсы, жалғастырайық. So, as homework, you make do this exercise. In this exercise, you should be write a power in expanded form, and vice versa. So next, we make the following definition in the case. Where the exponent is 0. Next main definition: for any non-zero number n to the power 0 is equal to 1, And the special case, 0 to the power 0, we call as undefined. So 0 to the power 0 is undefined, and with zero base and non-zero exponent make perfect sense. For example, 17 to the power 0, according to this definition, is equal to 1. 0 to the power 5 is equal to 0, such that it means 0 to the power 5, it means we multiply by 0 itself 5 times. It's equal to 0, etc., etc. So let us consider another kind of a power with an integer exponent, namely the exponent which a negative integer. This power look like this: 2 to the power negative 2, 10 to the power negative 7, 8 to the power negative 8. From now on, we'll call any power with natural 0 or integer negative exponent a power with an integer exponent. Special kind of exponent, it is negative exponent, tell us how many times we have to multiply the reciprocal of the base. For example, if it is given that a to the power negative n, it can be expanded as 1 over a to the power n. It means we have to multiply the reciprocal of a. That is 1 over a n times negative exponent are used while writing fraction with exponents. Яғни бұл жерде теріс дәрежелі бір ол кері өрнекті береді, reciprocal деген кері өрнекті дегенді білдіреді. Жақсы, жалғастырайық. Continue. So next we consider properties of exponents, basic properties of exponents. The properties of exponents or laws of exponents are used to solve problems involving exponents. These properties are also considered as major exponent rules to be followed while solving exponents. So in this table you can see some basic properties of exponents. So let's start. It is first rule, it is product rule. When we multiply power with the same base, we just have to add the exponents. For example, when we multiply x to the power 5 multiply by x to the power 3, such that the base of these exponents are the same, we just multiply we just add the exponents. So the result is x to the power 8. Next, the equation rule. When we divide powers with the same base, we just have to subtract the exponents. For example, we must find this quotient such that the base of these expressions are same. We just subtract the exponents, and the answer of this quotient is x to the power 4. Next rule is this power rule, or we say that law of a power to find a power of a power, we just have to multiply these exponents. So when we multiply, when we find x to the power 3 power to the power 4, it is equal to such. It is, in this case, we just multiply exponents, and the result is equal to x to the power 12. Next rule, it is product rule. Next product, or we say it is a power of the product property, law of the power of a product property. So in this case, when we raise a product to a power, we raise each factor with a power. And next, same this rule, we say about a power of quotient. So when we raise a quotient here, when we raise a quotient to power, we raise both the numerator and the denominator to the power. Next law, it's negative exponent or negative exponent property, you can say. So negative exponents here. Negative exponents are the reciprocal of the positive exponents. So, for example, x to the power negative 3 is equal to 1 over x to the power 3. So, and last expression, it is zero exponent property. When you raise a number to a zero power, we will always get one in this case. So it is means the any exponent of any number is equal to 0. So as homework, we may consider this this expression, simplify this expression by using combination of rules. Осымен біздің сабағымыз аяқталды. Сабақ барысында, яғни біз жаңа айтқанымыздай дәреженің қасиеттер, олардың жазылуы, ағылшын тіліндегі қасиеттердің айтылуына тоқталдық. Сабақ аяқталды. Сау болыңыздар. Рахмет.